Hello and welcome. My name is Charles Atelu, Health Informatics Trainer, Kenya HMIS2 project. In this video, I'm going to take you through IQ Tools upgrade from version 3.5.6 to version 3.5.7. To start with, you'll have to access IQ Tools installation from your control panel to uninstall the old version. So IQ Tools. The first step, you'll need to access your previously installed IQ Tools from the control panel. Click on the search icon, type control panel, click on the control panel to access all installed program. Click on uninstall program, search for IQ Tools. This is the old version we are uninstalling. Right click and click uninstall. Follow the prompts, click yes, then click yes again to uninstall IQ Tools. Now you can get out of the control panel. Once you uninstall, access IQ Tools from GitHub. The next step is to get IQ Tools installer and the database from GitHub. Access your web browser and type github.com/Palladium Kenya. Hit enter. Scroll down to access Kenya HMIS releases. Click on releases. Scroll down to access IQ Tools zip file, the PMCTC views zip file. Download the two zip files. Progress of the download will be shown. We are pulling PMCTC views. Once done, access the downloaded zip files from your downloads. Extract them. Paste the files. PMCTC views are incorporated here because by the time of building IQ Tools version 3.5.7, these were not incorporated in the build-up. That's the reason why we are pulling both IQ Tools and the PMCTC views that we are going to run manually from our SQL server to ensure that PMCTC reports are incorporated in IQ Tools. Inside IQ Tools releases, there is another extract. Extract the same. So we have the installer and we also have the database. Copy the database file. Then open Drive C. Create a folder in Drive C. Name it IQ Tools Database. Name it IQ Tools Database. Paste. Open the created folder. Paste. Then proceed to open your SQL server. Search for SQL. So we'll access our SQL server and delete the existing IQ Tools database from the previous installation. Expand the databases. Kindly note, before deleting IQ Tools Kenya HMIS database, if you had pre-designed queries in IQ Tools, back up the queries before deleting IQ Tools Kenya HMIS database. To back up, right click on IQ Tools Kenya HMIS folder, navigate to the tasks, click on backup, specify where you want, then click OK. You will be shown progress, and immediately it's done, it will tell you the backup of IQ Tools Kenya HMIS was completed successfully. Click OK. You are now ready to delete IQ Tools Kenya HMIS database. At this point, you are now able to access your pre-designed queries from the backup folder. Let's now proceed to delete IQ Tools Kenya HMIS database. We are deleting IQ Tools Kenya HMIS. Ensure while deleting you close any existing connection that might be left running. Then click OK. It will delete IQ Tools. So we are going now to copy the database file. Then open Drive C. Create a folder in Drive C. Name it IQ Tools Database. Name it IQ Tools Database. Paste. Open the created folder. Paste. Then proceed to open your SQL server. Search for SQL. We are now going to restore IQ Tools database. To restore the database, highlight Databases, right click and click Restore Database. Select the device and access our IQ Tools database. Click on Add to get the path to Drive C where we had stored our IQ Tools database. IQ Tools database, highlight it, IQ Tools, then say OK. Then click OK, and you will get feedback. Once it's completed, you will get a tick telling you that it has restored IQ Tools database. Click OK. You will see the progress of IQ Care database backup restoration. Immediately it's done, you will get feedback that the database IQ Tools Kenya HMIS was restored successfully. And once you access the list of databases, you will be able to see IQ Tools Kenya HMIS database restored. So come and click OK on the prompt, and the prompt and the page will disappear. So the next step is now to access IQ Tools installation, which we had downloaded. Let's now get back to IQ Tools installer. We are going to set up IQ Tools installer. Double click to install IQ Tools. Proceed with the prompts. Click Next to proceed and select everyone. Select everyone because this application is being used by every user in the facility. Then click Next. Click Next to install. Accept the prompt by clicking Yes. It will install IQ Tools. Once installed successfully, click Close. The next step is now to access the PMCTC views that we had downloaded, get back to our SQL server, click on File, then open, trace the PMCTC files we had downloaded and extracted, highlight the first one, we run all the 4, then click open. You will get, it will open a prompt. It will open a prompt telling you that the line ending following the file are inconsistent. Say yes. Then select a drop down list to IQCare. You want to link the registers to IQCare. Select IQCare and click execute. Once you click execute, you will get a message that the commands completed successfully. Pick the next file, click on File, open to access the next file. Hey Register, open, click yes. Ensure IQCare is selected, then click execute, and you'll get a prompt that it was completed successfully. Pick the third one, 2, click on File, click on Maternity Register, click Open, click Yes on the prompt, ensure IQCare is selected, then click execute. You will get feedback that it was completed successfully. Pick the last one, drag to open, drag your cursor and click File. Pick the last one, PNC Register, click open, click yes on the prompt, ensure IQCare is selected, then click execute, and you'll get feedback that it was completed successfully. This marks the end of executing the PMCTC views. We'll now get back to our IQCare shortcuts, launch IQCare, link to the database, and be ready to use IQCare to generate reports. Now close SQL, click yes to execute the changes. We will now get back to our shortcuts, IQ Tools. To launch IQ Tools, click on IQ Tools, set up IQ Tools to our SQL server. Click on Settings and it will search for the SQL server. Select our SQL server, which is .SQL Express. The username to our server is SA. The password is Constellar. Our password is Constellar with a 0 and 1. It will automatically select our database, which is IQCare. Then select our IQ Tools database. Then click Save, and it will automatically set up our IQ Tools. Then log in using our credentials again. The password. Type in the password Constellar, which is a C0NSTE11A. Select your facility's name. Then check the box written Refresh IQ Tools Data. then click Login. So here is our upgraded IQ Tools version 3.5.7. This marks the end of our IQ Care Tools upgrade. Thank you.